What's going on, everyone on IG? Making this video because I just want to inspire some people real quick, and I want to give people some insight also on reaching your full potential in life. You know what I'm saying? Because when it comes down to it, life is meant to be lived, and it's either you're living or you're existing. You know what I'm saying? Like that common saying, it's some real shit, because a lot of people don't understand that, like, you have to try to reach your full potential if you actually want to be as great as you envision yourself. You know what I'm saying? It could be in any aspect of things. It could be financially, it could be spiritually, it could be mentally, anything. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes down to it, are you lying to yourself? And I'm looking everyone in their eyes and asking, are you lying to yourself? Are you waking up the time that you claim that you want to wake up? Are you actually putting in the time into the craft that you claim that you are, not just for social media, but at the same time for your real life? Because remember, everything looks good on social media. You know what I'm saying? It looks good, you know, but all that matters is what's going on in real life. Real life. Like, what's going on? Are you doing what you have to do every single day to reach your full potential? If anything is lacking, if you're not 100% in, like, dedicated to actually being productive towards that certain craft that you are trying to get better at, then you're slacking. If it's 99%, then you're slacking. If it's 99.9%, then you're slacking. If it's not 100% effort every single day towards a certain craft that you're actually trying to get better at, or get better at spiritually, mentally, physically, anything. Like, once you're not putting in 100% effort towards that certain thing, you're slacking. So to reach your full potential, you have to put that grind in 100% every single day, so you could actually reach that full potential. And everybody has the same opportunity. Everybody has the same 24 hours. Everybody has these same opportunities. You know what I'm saying? All the opportunities that I had as well, everybody has the same exact thing. The only thing that's different is work ethic. Work ethic, the vision, dedication, drive. All those things are different in every single person. You know what I'm saying? If a person just wants to look good for social media, that could easily be done. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes down to it, real life, I'm pinching myself because I'm trying to see if everything's real. Real life, are you lying to yourself, or are you being honest with yourself? Because once you're lying to yourself in any kind of way, you're not going to reach your full potential. You're not going to get to those goals that you are putting on your vision board and that kind of stuff. Me personally, I personally couldn't give a fuck about a vision board, because of the main thing. I understand where I want to go, and I don't need to look at something to envision it. You know what I'm saying? It's here. You know, like, I'm that deep in. It's here. So I don't have to put it on a piece of paper and then put it. No, it's not needed. Are you lying to yourself? Because once you are, you're not going to reach your full potential. If you're not 100% in, you're not going to reach your full potential. You have to be 100% in every single day towards that certain craft in any kind of way to actually reach that full potential. And remember, everybody has the same opportunities. You know what I'm saying? So if you're 99.9% in, that's not enough. All right? So just wanted to come on here, give people, you know, that insight. Because at the end of the day, like, life is meant to be lived. You know what I'm saying? Life is meant to be it's given to the opportunity for everybody to actually reach that full potential, as long as they're willing to actually put in the effort and all of the work and the headaches and the ups and downs that the full potential comes up with. You know what I'm saying? Because remember, people that reach their full potential, it's not on accident. You know? So just keep that in mind. All right?